This is Aishwarya from Digital Aish, and if you are into the boutique space, do watch this video till the end. So 3 months back, Priya, the co-founder of Tree Boutique, attended my social media marketing training, and she went back and implemented this all on her business for the last 3 months. The results were fantastic. So this is what it looked like: 50% new sales, could reach over 3 lakh people. CTRs, the click through rate was more than 8%, which is great, absolutely fantastic actually. And all this for a spend of just 8,000 rupees put across 3 months. So, this is what digital DIY is all about: do it yourself. Learn it and implement it. But to learn it, you need to know how to do it the right way. You need to know how to optimize the campaigns. You need to know what are the different combinations in which you can actually go about targeting and reaching out the right customers. So yes, this is me in conversation with Priya. So do watch the video fully, and if you like the video, like, share, and leave a comment for us. Thank you so much. Hi Priya, thanks for joining me.
Yeah, it's no problem.
Okay, so tell me a little more about your entrepreneurship journey. Let me know about the journey of
Okay.
Try. How did you guys start? And you guys stand out in the boutique space. So let me know a little more about you guys. Now I know a customer, regular customer, but I just started, but I'm soon going to be one. So tell me
Okay.
more about that space.
So we started out casually like 4 years back, me and my friend, and we started this basically out of the love of fabric. And we even during college days, Engels, we used to design our own clothes. Like we buy the fabric and we design it and we give it to our local tailors here. So அப்படிதான் ஆரம்பிச்சது. Because we didn't want to buy whatever everybody buys. So that was the idea behind it. And slowly it started off like that. And since we had the love for common love for fabrics, and so we started out. So what we do now is what we do now is we buy the fabric and we both put in design and we have our tailors there. So we stitch and we place it out for order. ஸோ எங்ககிட்ட என்ன இப்போ ஸ்பெஷாலிட்டி அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, we do customization out and out. So whatever is available on Instagram and Facebook, we have that. But if the customer wants to make any changes in that, or like do a mom and me combo, or like maternity wears, and we are specializing now in nursing wears also.
Wonderful.
And we do kids also. So this is how it started, and yeah, we have a long way to go now, but we are happy about where we are now.
Yeah, it's been so இப்போ என்ன சொல்றது, how do customers reach you when you first started? இதெல்லாம் I'm sure it would have been through word of mouth to begin with.
Yeah, initially it was word of mouth and relatives, friends, Facebook and all. We don't do WhatsApp marketing that much. So and we started out in Facebook and now we are there on Instagram also, and we are slowly building our website also now.
Awesome.
So that is how it started. Friends of friends அப்படிதான் ஆரம்பிச்சது. And slowly அந்த மாதிரி தான் போச்சு. And now through digital marketing we are getting like new customers also.
Awesome.
The new customer scale is growing now.
Digital marketing னு mention பண்ணதுனால, so you one of the first few mompreneurs who came to my training and attended. So அதுக்கப்புறமா வந்து could you go and implement things back? அதுல வந்து maybe you can share some experiences so that it will benefit other
definitely
mompreneurs.
because we were always planning on hiring someone for marketing, but the cost is pretty high. So we thought, okay, we are all from techie backgrounds. Most of the mompreneurs now are we have tech backgrounds.
Who are engineers first.
Exactly the same story. So we thought, நம்மளே ஏன் பண்ணக்கூடாது அப்படின்னா we started out. But I went through few YouTube videos, but they were not very clear, and then only that's when I came to you. But so after the course, it was a very, very detailed, extensive course about the social media marketing, especially for Facebook and Instagram. So now it's been almost like 3 months, and for every post or every new release, I sit, me and my partner, we both sit, we plan our content, we plan the picture, and the picture la evlo text இருக்கணும், எவ்வளோ empty space இருக்கணும், அதுல இருந்து it was all because of only the training that I went through. So அதெல்லாம் பண்ணி and audience எப்படி செலக்ட் பண்றது, லைக் ஒரே போஸ்டர் ரெண்டு ஆடியன்ஸ்க்கு எப்படி ரீச் பண்றது, எப்படி லொகேஷன் எப்படி மாத்துறது, ஏஜ் எப்படி பண்றது, இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட், இது எல்லாமே it was like I can see the results also. And the main thing is, many people, what they say is digital marketing, like you won't be able to see that, you won't be able to measure the results and so on. But I'm able to do it. Even in Messenger message campaigns and all, I'm able to see who maybe given the situation, the business is dull everywhere because of the COVID situation.
right.
But still, in spite of that, I can see increase, I can see new requests and new followers.
இதுக்கு முன்னாடி
Everything is going
இருந்ததுக்கும்
on. எங்களோட
இதுக்கு
giveaway
அப்புறம்
contest இருக்கட்டும்.
contest that was a
I
big
see
hit la adha
wonderful. Yeah, that was a very big hit. How to use influencers, like how to post, how to place our posts, everything. We have actually, if you see our page also, over the period inga layout e mari irukku ipo.
layout mari irukku, content strategy konjam mari irukku illaya adha.
Yeah, definitely. So we don't post just for the sake of posting. That we never used to do. And now we have planned, like munadi we'll know like how to post everything. We used to see other pages and all, but now we plan ahead like 2-3 weeks. So we plan ahead. So எந்த போஸ்ட் எப்படி வரணும், அந்த கிரிட் கூட எப்படி மாறாம இருக்கணும், ஸோ இந்த கஸ்டமர்ஸ்க்கு எப்படி, ஸோ அது எல்லாமே வந்து இட் ஹெல்ப் அ லாட். பிகாஸ் see for small scale business like this, the main investment itself is digital marketing, I would say.
I was about to ask you, na mompreneurs கிட்ட வந்து ஒரு ஏன்னா நம்ம we just started up, so அது ஒரு additional budget பாக்குறதுக்கு there is a tendency இது பண்ணணுமா அப்படினா,
instead of additional budget, everybody should see that as an investment to your business.
Exactly.
Because instead of hiring someone and paying them 30k 40k or 50k every month, apart from that you have to pay for your ads also. அது இல்லாம if you invest in one time for this, and then anyway doubts are there, I very well know how helpful you are also.
Anytime.
So I think this is a very good investment. It's the best investment that I've made for myself and for my business also.
Thank you so much, Priya. அது and ஒரு சின்ன இது என்னன்னா, இப்போ நம்ம குரூப்ஸ்ல போடும்போது I'm not saying it will not reach, but we tend to sell and buy from each other, right? அது தாண்டி அது போகாது. Even in page பார்த்தோம்னா வந்து people say 300-400 followers or 1000 followers if we have, only 10% or 20% of the people who follow our page will actually get the updates of what we post. So that's why I keep telling mompreneurs, you have to target people and expand your reach, and that can be done only when you invest some money. Otherwise Facebook or any social media platform doesn't let you do that, and Facebook organic reach has dropped a lot. ஸோ அந்த ஒரு கொஸ்டின் வந்து அதான் கேட்கணும்னு நினைச்சிட்டே இருந்தேன். நிறைய பேர் வந்து ட்ரைனிங்க்கு வந்து நம்ம ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணணுமா அப்படின்ற மாதிரி அந்த தாட்ஸ் இருக்கு. அதையும் தாண்டி டிஜிட்டலுக்கு தனியா பண்ணணுமா, நான் ஒரு 10 குரூப்லயோ 20 குரூப்லயோ, even if it is 30-40 groups, if I can post every day, that itself is going to give me
beyond a point they won't buy. Like இப்போ ஒரு கஸ்டமர் இன்னைக்கு வாங்குறாங்கன்னா immediately they're not going to buy next week or the month after that. They might take their time, and they might also think why to buy from the same seller, we can go to other boutiques also under thought irukku. And if they are like known people or obligation agum idella edume vendala. If you want to grow your business, you have to scale up, and for scaling up, if you are on Facebook and Instagram, you need to invest on digital marketing.
Right,
because you are anyway cutting off the what to say, the cost of hiring someone else.
Correct.
So when you have, and it's also like, I don't think it's a very tough course or anything. It's
but
very simple, and you can explore, and you can explore a lot, because
you learn a lot. Neenga rendu perum, even after the course, you keep yourself updated. You were also working with Shopify websites on your own.
Yes.
That is important.
So we can explore. There are so many options, and adliye nariya help guidelines ellame irukku. So there's nothing, and you can start with simple budgets. You can start with simple 100 rupees per day, 200 per day, and the madri poitu. Once you're confident about your audience, and once you analyze your results, and then you can slowly increase it. So I find it very useful.
Awesome. Hey, thanks Priya, very well explained actually. Aprama, many people want to start a business in this boutique space. Like you, I would say, are pioneers ne sollalam. Romba, it's been quite a few years, and it's you've been able to sustain and really do well. So for somebody who's aspiring to start a boutique, what would be your 3 key points or advice in Solavana? Probably 3 those star points.
Okay. So boutique is a very vast field. Like there are so many competitors now, but still the buying capacity is also increasing. So people are buying, like for even a casual Sunday or casual weekend, people are buying. So as long as the buyers are there is market for everybody. I would suggest, first of all, get your things straight first. Like, why do you want to do, and what do you want to do, and how do you want to do it? The 3 questions go.
The niche.
And who are your target customers? So in the key points irundale, you will be clear first. So and then just implementing that step by step, poga You will figure
We'll
it out.
start. We have to do it.
That's how we did.
Hmm.
That's how when we started, we had no plans, to be
Hmm.
honest. But
But
then
you,
we
but
figured out.
you
We
liked
figured out.
that space,
Yeah,
yeah, and you
exactly,
started figuring out. Right.
exactly.
Wonderful.
So
Hmm.
I think that's how you started.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Priya. Lots
Thank
of
you, Aish.
insights, and wonderful having you with me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aish. Bye bye.
Thanks. Bye bye.